Good morning, class 10. Let's continue the topic that is physics. Today we'll be studying numericals based on EMF, terminal voltage, series combination, parallel combination, page number 201. So, first comes question number 2. Question number 2. Let me start with question number 2. In question number 2, it is given that a battery of EMF 3 volts supplies current through a circuit in which the resistance can be changed. A high resistance voltmeter is connected across the battery. When the current is 1.5 ampere, the voltmeter reads 2.7 volt. Find the internal resistance of the battery. So we need to calculate the internal resistance. So if you are asked to draw the circuit diagram for the same, how to do? Okay, in the external circuit, one resistance is there, and then again it is connected to the cell with certain internal resistance about which we need to calculate. Here the EMF is given equal to 3 volts, so I will write here 3 volt, and here the voltmeter is connected in parallel with the external circuit, and ammeter, as you know, it is already connected in series. Ammeter, okay, it reads how much current is flowing. Current flowing through the circuit is given 1.5 ampere, okay, and the voltage, the voltmeter reads 2.7, means it is the terminal voltage which is given 2.7 volt terminal voltage. So we have the terminal voltage, that is capital V, is equal to 2.7 volt, and the current flowing through the circuit which is equal to 1.5 ampere. And then again next, the EMF of the cell is given equal to 3 volt. We need to find the internal resistance. Now see, relating all these four quantities, we have the formula. That is, we know EMF is equal to how much? I bracket capital R plus, okay, I V plus small v. Then again, the value of EMF is given equal to how much? It is 3 volt, and the terminal voltage is given equal to 2.7 volt, and this is the voltage drop which is actually IR. Then again 3 is equal to 2.7 plus IR. The value of I is how much? It is 1.5 R. So that means I can write like this: 1.5 R is equal to 3 minus 2.7. 1.5 R is equal to, is coming equal to 0.3. So R is equal to how much? 0.3 upon 1.5, which is equal to, remove the decimal. So here 3 into 10 and down, 3 or 15 into 10. 10 can cancel, 3 was a 3, 3 5 ja. So 1 upon 5 we are getting, which is equal to 0.2 ohm. So we got the internal resistance. So this was question number 2. Now after that, let's do question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. In question number 4, a battery of EMF 15 volt. So EMF is given equal to how much? 15 volt. And then next, and the internal resistance is given equal to 3 ohm. 3 ohm is connected to 2 resistor of resistance is R1 is equal to 3 ohm, and then R2 is equal to, let us suppose R2 is equal to 6 ohm in series. Okay. Now the same thing we can show with the help of circuit diagram. Two resistances are connected in series, and then the EMF of about how much? 15 volt is applied. The internal resistance is 3 ohm, and here the resistance in series is 3 ohm and 6 ohm. Now next, the current flowing through the circuit, we need to find first Okay, then after that the potential difference between the terminals of the battery means between these 2 points, that is terminal voltage we need to find. So two things we need to find. Number one, we need to find the current and then the terminal voltage. So first we will find the total resistance excluding the internal resistance. Total external resistance is equal to how much? 3 plus C, as they are connected in series, so R1 plus R2. So which is equal to how much? 3 plus 6, which is equal to 9 ohm. Then again after that we need to find the current. So we know that I is equal to, okay, EMF is equal to how much? I bracket capital R plus small r. Then again from here I is equal to how much? EMF by capital R plus small r. So EMF is how much? It is 15 and capital R is coming equal to 9 plus 3. So which is equal to 15 upon 12. Okay, 3 by 15, 3 4 the 12, so it's coming equal to how much? 4 1 the 4.25. Okay, 25 and the unit is ampere. So the current we got, which is equal to how much? 1.25 ampere. Then after that comes next the potential difference. This is number A. Now number B, we need to find the terminal voltage. So terminal voltage we can get, see, by Ohm's law also we can do, by Ohm's law. See, the current flowing through the external circuit is how much? I, and the total resistance is R. So I is how much? It is, just now we have calculated, that is 5 upon 4, and then again the total resistance is 9. So which is equal to 45 upon 4. So 4 1 are 4, 4 1 are 4, 0.25. Okay, this way also you can do, and the unit should be volt. So we got this answer, question number 4. One more question let me do in this video. One more question. Question number Question number 6. Question number 6. Two resistors having resistances 4 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. Find their equivalent resistance. It's very simple. So two resistances are connected in parallel. Okay, are connected in parallel. R1, the first resistance is 4 ohm. And the second resistance is 6 ohm. Okay, we need to find the equivalent resistance. So equivalent resistance, the reciprocal of the equivalent resistance in parallel is equal to sum of the reciprocal of each of the resistances. So which is equal to 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by how much? 4 plus 1 by 6. So LCM is coming equal to 12. 4 goes 12 for 3 times, 6 goes for 2 times. So 1 upon Rp is coming equal to how much? 1 upon Rp is coming equal to how much? 5 upon 12. So that means Rp is equal to how much? Is coming equal to 12 upon 5, which is equal to 5 goes 12 for 2 times 2, 5 to the 10.4 ohm. Okay, so 2.4 ohm is the answer. Then again, so let us keep up to these students. Remaining will do in the next class. Thank you very much.